me very, very seriously, and he teach me properly. He first just simply seeing me and try to evaporate things, what exactly my thing is going, what I learn in IL, just show me. He want to say like that. I started booking language. Yeah, BL is that, this process going on, import, start from here, shipper, contract, party, transportation, okay, then export, this, that, okay, then suddenly ask question, where the document goes from there. I don't know, because at that point I can't speak about that particular document, because now in these days we are handling so many documents. So that day, give me a question mark. Oh my goodness, I get a first time in front of me. First time, one person asked me about my master degree, and I can't able to speak it. That was happened first time with me in my life. Whenever anybody asks me about shipping and logistics, I can speak near about 10 to near at least 30 to 40 minutes continuously. Seriously, I have that kind of knowledge because I learn. I observe things very sincerely and seriously for future, for making career. So that day I get a question mark, because the way he asking questions, exactly from where so many questions, so many answers is going on. Once I go to somewhere, he was asking, okay, what about that, this? Okay, then I said, okay sir, I am a trainee. Finally I have to tell him, okay, I have done MBA, but I am doing MBA, but now in this, I have a 100% theoretical knowledge, practical zero. Then he said, okay, fine. You will get that chance to complete that 0% into more increasing over here. Then I started my internship from operation department. First month I am in operation. I started with the sea freight. There are I get a lot of opportunity to go into Jebel Ali airport, port. Then I personally handle so many shipment over there. I went with my colleagues in George. Every time, whenever we go, he was asking question and question and question. What is going on? What is this? What is that? Always he was, giving me a guideline. If you see in a different way, I was also asking question again and again. That's the main thing which he, continuously teaching, continuously posing. So what is that? What is this? Then, we're getting stuck. You're a man. You're asking questions too much, man. I don't know. Please don't discuss me your books learning language. Plus, you don't know, sir. Okay, no, I don't know. But I know then you practical way. Okay, that's okay. Then, I changed my from after 1 month, I get a chance to work in customer service. There I found there are employee from Russia, a girl from Russia, Mumbai person. There are Malayali, Tamil, South India from basically. And over there was a really awesome experience, seriously, because only where there not much huge work. Seriously, I felt being in operation department give you really vast knowledge, very, very vast knowledge. I thought that operation process start from here, straight end. Oh yeah, that's it. But dealing with the same process, but if just a commodity get changed, you have to change each and everything. So I was thinking, once I thought, now I can know. But suddenly commodity get changed. Oh my goodness, what is the process now on this? So every day it's changing. Every day. So give me a really very, very vast knowledge about the practical. When it comes to customer service, it's I really prefer to say like that. It's really a girls' field, because only for boys, it's nothing hard work. Getting the phone, attend the phone, good morning, you search for it. That's it.
Dealing with customer problems is different. Customer service.
I should have the patience to deal with
A
them.
lot of patience is required, and customer service is mainly for complaints and for leads, for inquiries. To convert that inquiry into a business is the secret of a customer service executive. And when the customer calls you with a problem, to connect with other people in the office and solving it and giving a feedback to the customer is customer service.
And
Everything is important.
Yeah, I was asking feedback with everything, sir.
Being in customer service still I'm working in customer service.
Still you're a Chinese, that's okay.
That's I have to repeat
Lifelong
again and
believe me,
again.
I am also learning. Everybody learns. It's a learning is a continuous process.
There is only one thing, give me one say on if anything happens, they say, what man, you don't know? No, sorry sir, I'm trained. That's the only thing. Okay, then you're fine. Then now it's going very well. Now, seriously, if you're asking this question, what do you know about the freight forwarding, shipping and logistic? In book language, I can tell you so many things, but now in practical way, I will think first and then I will tell you because it's a really vast field. And one thing I really want to tell you that before coming over here, I was thinking where should I start my internship? Before introducing our girl plan, I was thinking where should I start? Where should I go for my internship? I thought let's go for Mumbai. I thought in Mumbai then we'll find a job over there. That's it. But now coming over here, I was thinking why don't I try for Singapore first? And I really get a chance because I get some connection, Singapore, UK, and in Dubai itself, get a lot of nice
Now you know how to do
contacts.
fishing.
So yes, 100%, 100%. So being in IIL student as a Gulf IIL student, it's helped me a lot. Really helped me a lot. The most important thing in this industry will give you confidence that you should concentrate. I'm really talking a basic manner, but it's really count a lot. Just concentrate on your lectures. Whatever your teacher is teaching, that's really important because they are not B.Ed or D.Ed persons. They are especially from the industry. They will tell you each and every thing which is exactly going on. And that's really helped me a lot. So now I will give you a count rate from 10 out of 100. And about the bed space, I live in Al Karama.
100 out of 10 actually. So
Whatever, because it's giving really nice opportunity.
it's a turning point for you.
100%, sir. I'm the most confident person over here. I will tell you about this. No, because the thing which I learn, don't mind. The thing which I learn in my company, it will help me a lot
See,
to build my career.
the amount what you learn depends on whom. On me, on Gulf, on Dubai, or on you. On whom it depends how much you learn.
On the students.
Upon a student.
Students.
If somebody feels that I did not learn anything, I feel helpless because I brought all the way here, I connected to you to the company, I brought the horse till the lake. Now can I make you drink water? Can I make a horse to drink water? No. It's you who have to drink water. If you're a big horse, you drink a lot of water. If you're a small horse, you drink less water. And second thing is thirsty. She's thirsty. You are thirsty. Maybe he's thirsty. I don't know what is your thirst. And positive attitude. Everything you look at positively. It's very important. And so even if it helps one, it gives you international career. Now you know that you all know how to go about fishing. That's what I was trying to teach all of you.
Being in company, first week, nothing, just being sincerely, wake up go 8 o'clock, come 6 o'clock. But now in these days, I am the last person who came out from the company. Me and there are some colleagues over there, they are doing late work. So I'm with them because I know this is my last chance to get a training. And this is the last chance I can make a mistake, but nobody can bother me.
It's a learning process. We do mistakes.
So,
when you become a bigger guy, you make big mistakes. it's good.
It helped
That
me
भाग
seriously.
अच्छा होता है.
Yeah, it's
भाग
helped
अच्छा
me a
होता है.
lot, and I really thanks to IIL, and special thanks to Mr. Captain Vijay Pushpakumar who bring me over here. And thank you so much, sir. I really want to shake hands with you.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so
He
much.
doesn't want to hug me.
Very to all. I'm Churanga. I'm doing my internship in Hillman Road Logistics. Actually, on first day, I learned there for only for 1.5 weeks. To be very frank, I learned there only 1.5 weeks. The 8th day of my internship, one person left my operations department. I took over the job from him. To be very frank, without my sign in 5 tower, no consignment will move from the place. the truth. After that, from Chennai, with the experience of 5 years, one person came here. For him, IT is the job which I did, actually. Again, unfortunately, another person left on some other place. Again, I went and sat there. I did, still now I'm doing his job and still carrying on. Next week, one person coming with the experience of 8 years experience, I have to teach him. Because I'm leaving Dubai like this 38. So within that, I have to teach him. This is what I learned here, but I learned apart from logistics many things. To be tell about my company, my colleagues are good. They use, unfortunately, the colleagues are also from our state, so from South Indians. So I had little chance to practice with other country people or other state people. I'm very proud to say that I'm dealing in 3 modes of transport. Yeah. Because we are doing roadway logistics. It's my operation is our client is Audi Volkswagen. We are supplying spare parts to the entire GCC countries. So all the transaction will take place roadways. Some urgent shipment will take place with airways. There is a shipment from all the spare parts will come from Germany. So shipments should be come very serious. So I'm bringing all the 3 modes. So I'm very proud to say that I'm the only one from here who have done all the 3 modes of transport. And I have done some customer relation also, because my position is like I need to get some certificates with that certificate only we can send goods to the countries like Saudi. So I have to deal with the authority who gives certificates. So I am the person who has to take the responsibility. I am the one who is doing at present now there. And my supervisor took around 1.5 years to learn all the things in my department. I took only 1.5 years. That's the experience. Nothing else.
How did you experience?
My experience. First of all, I came to know how tasty my mother food is.
Very good.
Actually,
The life taught you.
Yeah.
Now you'll be a good boy. That's what.
Always very good. Yeah. My experience here is like good. I don't rate it high.
No, in a scale of 10, what is your number you take?
Whatever I learned through this experience is 5. Whatever internship, I will give internship rating as 8.5.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. Because I know what I learned here. I didn't cross the off well. I have to cross the full well. I want the process. Yeah.
The process, exactly.
Yeah.
That's very important.
I don't think this is a short-term investment. It's investment for my life.
Fine. Very
Yeah.
good. So you recommend Gulf Plan to others?
Yeah, this depends upon their question. Actually, my HR called me last week and asked about will you come here. I said yes. It depends upon you people and my college. If you people get satisfied with this, then I'll come back. The next question she asked me about what's your expectation on salary. I actually, it's obvious that our colleagues will tell about their experience over there. Unfortunately, those people were around 6 years experience in the same company. I am the only one who I went and knew. So even the person who coming now is also have some experience about 7 years, 5 years. So I am the only one who I'm used to be like a kid over there. But I learned everything fast than them. Because of the knowledge I got from IIM. That is the truth. Even the person who asked questions to each other, in my college, I used to answer in between them. They were very surprised over that. Anything else you want to ask me?
Your bed space experience?
Space experience. I would say it's costly, but that is the cheapest rate here.
Awesome.
That is the only thing I can say. Because it's compared to some other place, no, it's looking high to me. But
But as you said,
here-
it's a very good point. You said it's a long-term investment.
Yeah.
It's not a short-term. You should look at long-term.
I don't think my turning point is near. It's long way. With this help, with the help of this, I will make it.
There's a foundation.